Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to let you know that I'm going to be at Amelia Island from March 7th in the probably getting there around the evening to March 11th, which is Concours Sunday. From Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I will be at the Gooding Auctions tent doing my job with Sports Car Market. Come meet me and come say hi. I'd love to shake your hand and talk to you about your Mercedes and see who's watching. And then March 10th in the morning, I will be at Cars and Coffee with the Mercedes Benz Club of America display. Again, I would love to meet you and see what you're driving and see what your Mercedes project is. So if any of you would like to come say hi, ask me a question, take a picture, I'm more interested in meeting you.
It's Bill Greener, and I'm getting my 1985 300 CD turbo diesel ready for the Cars and Coffee at Amelia Island. We're caravanning up with Pierre, Hedary, and a couple of cars to this great event, and looking forward to a super fun time.
That's the way it goes. I'm going there to see some of you guys. Last year we had a great time at Amelia Island. I got to meet my new friend Andrew Opica, who's currently restoring a 300 SEL 6.3 and has a beautiful 1969 280S. I also got to let's just say I got a lot of great feedback on my channel that I've tried to implement over the course of the year. So, you know, I'm always looking to make new friends, and I look forward to meeting you.